Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your script and environment for clear audio. Use a quiet room and a condenser microphone positioned 3 to 6 inches from your mouth. Set recording software to 48K HZ sample rate and 16-bit depth for balanced fidelity. Record short takes and keep narration under 10 minutes per recording segment to simplify transcription. Monitor levels to avoid clipping and aim for -12 dB peak in your input channel. Save raw audio files as WAV for best compatibility with transcription tools. Choose an automatic transcription service that supports WAV uploads and timestamps. Upload your audio and expect about 85% accuracy before manual fixes. Review the transcript and correct punctuation, names, and filler words for clarity. Add speaker labels and adjust timestamps to match spoken phrases precisely. Split captions into 2 to 4 second segments for readable on-screen display. Export the final captions as SRT or VTT files for universal subtitle compatibility. Open your video editor and create a new project at 1920 by 1080 to 9 aspect ratio. Import the WAV audio and the SRT caption file into the timeline and align them precisely. Choose a legible font and set a minimum size around 24 pixels for typical screens. Limit captions to 3 or 4 lines and avoid covering important visuals on screen. Export your final video as H.264 MP4 using 2-pass encoding and a target bitrate near 8 Mbps for good quality and reasonable file size.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.